Chomper, and thank you so much for joining me in today's video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing each and every item that I made for my craft fairs this year. And as you know, there is a tutorial for each of these projects, and I'll link everything below. I'm also going to be showing you all of the stock that we made, because in some of the videos, I only made a few and then said we're going to be making a lot more for the craft fair, so I'm going to be sharing all of the items that we made and how many we ended up with for our inventory for the craft fair. So please excuse any of the background noise when I'm showing you on the craft table, and just know that this is not the craft fair tour. This is just the items that I made, and the craft fair video is coming soon. And also, after our next craft fair, which is my last craft fair of the season, I'll be sharing a craft fair recap and telling you what sold, what didn't, and all of that. And I know you guys love that kind of video, so that one's coming too, so stay tuned. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. All these, there's so many, and what we did is we packaged them in these cute little clear bags. They don't have a top to them, so we have them packaged in these cute little clear sleeves from clearbags.com. I'll link them below, and then here's the bookmark. So we just have them protected so fingerprints and stuff don't get on them, and that's how we package them. So here's the one that I designed. These are the cute little boards as an example, so somebody can purchase this. We didn't put any pictures or anything. And then we packaged all of them up, just like I showed you in the tutorial. Here they all are. We packaged them all up. Favorite that I made this year, these are the cute little Christmas junk journals I made, if you guys remember. I loved that project. It was so much fun. So there's all the ones I made, and of course I left one out so people can flip through it. So my favorite item this year is our blind date with a book. You guys know what these are. So here is the ones we made. And sorry about the background noise, but you guys have seen all these. I showed you all of them in the video. I want to say we made 18 or 20, but there's those. They're kind of, we're still setting up our table, but there's the stock of those. So cute, and this is not even half of the ones we made. We have so many. So example of the other ones we made with the Christmas Twix and Kit Kat. And again, we have a bin underneath the table to restock these when they run out. We made so many. Again, we use cute die cuts instead of tags, and I think it's so adorable. So, do we have back stock of these, Bree? Or is this all? Yeah, we made so many of these, and if they sell out, we'll make some more for our next crop fair. there's the cute little vintage storybook ones. If you remember my Christmas in July tutorial on the Christmas countdown. And then the Christmas envelope journal. And I had that spring one, if you guys remember the video. And then of course the cute little mini ones here. And the little bags I made. So this is not even like a quarter of the stash of hot cocos that we made, you guys. We made 60. So we have so many. So we're just gonna keep stocking them as they sell. We went a little crazy making the tees. It's kind of ridiculous, but they're so cute. So this is like 20 of them or something. I think we made like 65. I think I showed you in the video. They're so, so cute. We made, and we have another bin below the table here with the rest of them. So once these go low, we'll just restock them. So these are the cute lip balm holders, and we did these in years past, but I didn't do a video again this year, but we made a bunch of them. So I'll link the tutorial below as well. These adorable shoes, like the Doodlebug die cuts. They're so cute, and those lip balms smell really good. She made so many. So we have also another stock of these under the table. We made so much this year, you guys. Just a random little basket full of things I've made on my channel. I have tutorials on everything. My sister Bree made these cards though, but I made those shaker cards. So we just have them in the cute little basket. And I did a tutorial on these lemon recipe books. They were so much fun. I wanted to show you this thing my mom made, and these are the book cozies. Aren't they so cute? They're so quilted and cushiony, and I think they're so beautiful. I love them so much. So if somebody buys a blind date with a book at my booth, I'm gonna send them over here to my mom's book cozies. These book sleeves are so cute. And then that one's for a cookbook. My sister also made her really cute cereal box notebooks, and these are adorable. We did a tutorial a few years ago on these, but this year she used a machine and it made everything so much better. And then this is a sneak peek of the new craft fair project that we did, and I'm going to be doing a full video on it in the next couple of videos. So just stay tuned for that because I'm so excited. Here is what it looks like so far, and I'm sure you can guess what it is. And I am just so excited to share this video. So here's a picture of what it's going to be. You guessed it, a Christmas edition of our blind date with a book, and we made so many. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you very soon in the next video. I hope you enjoyed all the projects. The tutorials are all linked below along with the products that I mentioned. Thank you so much, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.